In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Google Sheets. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep all your project data organized and easily accessible. Now, integrating these two tools is a straightforward process, and we'll get through it together in just about 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open Clickup. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific list, folder, or space that you want to export. This step is crucial because it determines which data you're taking over to Google Sheets. Take a moment to make sure you're viewing the right set of tasks or information that you need to work with. Now, when you've located the correct section of your project, look for a 3-dot menu. This is typically situated in the top right corner of your Clickup interface. Clicking this menu will reveal a drop-down with several options. From this list, you'll want to choose the Export option. Once you select Export, you'll then be presented with a choice of file types. Here, it is important that you select CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a file format commonly used for data storage because it is compatible with many applications, including Google Sheets. Selecting CSV will start the download of your data, and within moments, you'll have a neatly packaged file ready for the next step. With your CSV file now downloaded onto your computer, the next move is to open it in Google Sheets. Navigate over to your Google Drive and either drag and drop the CSV file into Google Sheets or use the file upload feature. Google Sheets will automatically recognize the CSV format and neatly organize your data into rows and columns for easy manipulation or further analysis. One of the benefits of working with cloud-based tools like Google Sheets is the ease of refreshing your data. If updates are needed or more current data from Clickup is required, you simply repeat the export process back from Clickup, download the latest CSV, and then replace the data in your existing Google Sheet. This keeps your information current, ensuring you're always working with the latest project details without the hassle of manually updating everything. By following these steps, you integrate Clickup with Google Sheets efficiently, maximizing productivity with these powerful tools working together. If you work with projects that require regular updates or changes, this integration can become a real time saver, allowing you to focus more on managing tasks and less on data entry. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Clickup with Google Sheets, paving the way for enhanced data management and team collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your project management workflows.